సో నిన్న మనం ఏం చేసామంటే we have done the what is that order of the matrix. Suppose we have, so it's like matrices part 1. Okay, this is how we'll take it as part 1 only. So today we'll define again order of the matrix. So once again we'll see A is equal to, suppose you have 2 3 7 4 5 6, suppose you have like this. Now this is row 1, this is called row 2, this is called number of rows. The horizontal things are called rows, vertical things are called columns. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3. So number of rows is 2, number of columns is 3. Rows, number of rows multiplied by number of columns is called order of matrix. We don't multiply and give the number. Number multiply chesi veyalsina avasaram ledu. What we do is number of rows kanukuntam, number of columns kanukuntam, and then we'll write it as 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 అని చదువుతాం. In fact the multiplication లోన 2 into 3 అని చదవరు, 2 by 3 అని చదువుతారు. ఓకే, క్లియర్ ఇంతవరకు? Now let us take another example. Okay, ఇదైతే తర్వాత ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. Let us see another example. So this is order of matrix. Order of matrix లో ఇంకొక సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఏంటంటే, let us take another x matrix. సో ఇలా 1 3 7 ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి. ఓకే, this contains 3 rows. ఓకేనా, 3 rows and 1 column. So that is 3 by 1. Clear? Only 1 column is there and you have 3 rows. Suppose ila rasam anukondi, this is also a matrix of 1 by 1. This is also a matrix of 1 by 1 order. Okay, clear? There are different kinds of matrices. That types of matrices manam we will have some idea about the types of matrices later. Now ivala first konni general things, how we add the matrix, how we subtract the matrix anedi chuddam. Ivala very basic things chuddam. How do we add the matrix, how do we subtract the matrix, how do we form the matrix? So 3 kinds of problems untai generally. So how do we form the matrix and first chuddam. So for that we have to learn something else. Okay, can I clear this? Indulo pedda vishayam emi ledu. I can clear. I hope. Now we'll go ahead. Now let us say oka matrix A annappudu, suppose here we will give positions of the element positions. మనం ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకోయేది ఏంటంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ పొజిషన్. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ మనం A B C X Y Z M N P అని ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇలా రాసాం. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. And now what is the position of A? Position of A is told us it belongs to first row and belongs to first column. Okay na? Clear? First row, right? First row and first column. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Now B, can you tell me what is B? What is the position of B?
First row, second column.
Second column. Very good. First row, second column. What is the position of C?
First row, third column.
Third column. Very good. Very good. First row, third column. So you see. So first row, first column ni A11 antar. Ante 1 refers to row. This one refers to column. Actual format Aij. Ith row, it is called ith row and jth column. This is the funda. So this decides position. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ A11 అని అనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్, దట్ ఈస్ A here. Similarly, A12, if I say A12 means first row second column, okay, that is B here. Suppose A31 means, where do you go? Can you tell me? Just look at it and tell me what is A31. Can you answer this? What is A31 here? That means third row first column you have to go. What is the answer here? A31 means, anyone?
M,
sir.
Yum, very good, very good. What is A22 here?
Y, sir.
Y,
Y,
sir.
very good, very good, very good. Y, very good. And now, what is A33?
P, sir.
P, very good, very good, excellent, excellent, very good. Now, this is how we designate the positions. Okay, in fact, a matrix A will be written like this: A11, A12, A13 means this belongs to first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now, A21, second row, first column, A22, A23. Now, similarly, A31, A32, A33, right? Like this, it goes on. It can go on any way, right? Got it? So it can be n rows, m columns like this. So you can have any kind of matrix. So in general, it is written as A matrix will be written as Aij. Like this we'll write. All the elements of the A matrix will be written like this, where I is ith row and J is jth column. Clear? Ith row and jth column.
Clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we have some small problems based upon positions of the matrix. Okay, based upon positions of the matrix. So how the questions will be: construct a, the first question, construct a construct a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, construct a 2 by 3 matrix. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. That's all this is given. So please read the question. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. This is a question. How to deal with this? Okay. First, మనం that matrix A అనుకుందాం. A matrix, whatever it is, that 2 by 3 we have to construct and see. Now 2 by 3, how it looks like, that is 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So it will be A11, A12, A13. Similarly, A21, A22, A23. That's it. So that is 2 rows and 3 columns. Done, no? First part, this is what you have to do. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Like this, you have to write the matrix. These are the positions. First set the positions. Okay. Clear? No. First part, 2 by 3 matrix, this is how we'll write. So assume the 2 by 3 matrix is like this, and they have written like this: Aij is Ai plus j by 2. Formula they have given to generate the matrix. This is the formula to generate the matrix. Aij is I plus j by 2. So what I had to do, A11 is I value is 1, j value is 1. That is 1 plus 1 by 2. So that is 2 by 2, which is 1. So A12, what I have to do? 1 plus 2 by 2. This one I have to add and divide it by 2. So that is 3 by 2. Clear? Clear how to do?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you generate the matrix? A13, what I have to do? A13 means 1 plus 3 by 2. That is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2, right? So A11 is I got 1. A12 I got it as 3 by 2. A13 I got it as 2. This one is A21. A21 is again I have 3 by 2. A22 is 2. A23 is 5 by 2. Right? Check it out. You will get it. So what is the final
Yes, sir.
matrix? What is the final matrix? Can anyone tell me what would be the final matrix? The final matrix is A11 1 3 by 2 2 A21, that is 3 by 2 2 5 by 2. This is the matrix what we got. That is the required matrix. Required matrix. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Now, next question. Question number 2. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix given Aij is equal to Ij whole power minus 1. Ij, I into j whole power minus 1. Power minus 1 means 1 by Ij. That means 1 by I into j. Got it? No. 1 by I into j. Now can you do this? So how does the 2 by 2 matrix look like? So A is 2 by 2 I had to construct. That means 2 rows and 2 columns we should have. So A11, A12, A21, A22. This is what we have. Now can you do this? Aij. Let's write the formula. Aij is Ij whole power minus 1. That is 1 by Ij. Right? 1 by, okay, A11 we have to do. A11, 1 by 1 into 1. That is 1. Right? A12, that is 1 by 1 into 2. That is half. Right? A21, A21, that is 1 by 2 into 1. That is half. A22, that is 1 by 2 into 2. That is 1 by 4. You can write it in decimals. This is 0.5. This is also 0.5. 1 by 4 is 0.25. So represent in decimals. That's the answer what they asked us. So A111, you have 0.5. You have again 0.5. This is 0.25. Right? Hope clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more. You have to try next question. Next question I will give you. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. This time. given Aij is equal to simply I into J. That's it. Aij is I into J. Do it. Tell me what will be the 3 by 3 matrix. So how the 3 by 3 matrix will write? Anyone tell me? Can anyone? We need 3
Sir,
rows and
3
3
rows, 3 columns.
columns, right? So how it will come? Give it try. Give it try. How it will come?
A11, A12, A13,
A11, A12, A13. Very good. Next.
A21, A22, A33, A23,
A22, A23. Very good. Next.
A31,
Yes, very good.
A32,
Okay.
A33.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now construct the matrix A11. What is A11?
1, sir.
1 into 1. Very good. 1. Now A12,
2, sir.
2. Next A13,
3, sir.
3. Very good. So let's write the first row here itself. So మనం ఈజీగా రాగలుగుతాం కదా 1 2 3 here. Just take the product. That's it. 2 2 2s 4. Now 2 3s are 6 here. Here that is 3 and 6 and 3 3s 9. So this is how this matrix is generated. You see there is a pattern here. This is 1 2 3. This is just double of this one, that is 2 4 6, and now this is triple of this one, 3 3 2 6 3 3 is 9. Super. So you got one another pattern. You see in this matrix you are getting squares here, 1 4 9, perfect squares here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this the matrix will give a lot of patterns like this will come. One more question. So we'll solve only this kind today. Construct a matrix of given. Construct a matrix of order 3 by 1 this time. 3 by 1. Okay, remember carefully. 3 by 1 given Aij is equal to I by j. I by j. Try it.
Sir, answer is 1, 0.5, 0.33, sir.
Okay, very good. So it's like you have A11. Next here downwards you have A21 and you have A31, right? So 3 by 1, 3 rows should be there and 1 column. So your answer will be I by j, that is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, right? You will get 1 2 3. 3 rows 1 column. You would have written 1 row 3 columns.
Yes, sir.
Okay, be careful. 1 by 1 2 3 is the answer. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice. Let's move on to the next one. One more. Construct the matrix given Aij is equal to I square plus j square divided by 2. Okay, you had to construct a, now this time, a 3 by 2 matrix. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, clear? No, construct a 3 by 2 matrix where Aij is I square plus j square by 2. I square plus j square by 2. Construct a matrix.
Sir, answer is 1 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and
First
16.
matrix ఎలా ఉందో చెప్తావా? Matrix, first matrix చెప్పండి. How the 3 by 2
Sir,
matrix
3
looks like.
columns. Sir, 3 columns.
No,
downwards
no,
3.
no. 3 rows. First rows, తర్వాత columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 columns అంటున్నావు. సో
Sir.
మ్యాట్రిక్స్ A11 ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్. మీకు అలవాటు అవ్వాలి, అందుకనే చేస్తున్నాం ఇది. A12 3 రోస్ రావాలి మనకి. A12 2 కాలమ్స్ వస్తుంది. సో A21, A22, A31, A32. This is how you get the 3 by 2 matrix. ఓకేనా? ఇది రాశారా ఫస్ట్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, నా ఇది రాసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం ప్రాబ్లం. వెదర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ కుడ్ రైట్ దిస్ క్లియర్లీ. దిస్ ఇస్ ద 3 by 2 matrix required. Okay, now let's solve. A11 is 1 square plus 1 square divided by 2. So that is 2 by 2, 1. Clear? A12, how to do A12? 1 square plus 2 square divided by 2. How much you will get? 5 by 2, that is 2.5. అమ్మా చూసుకోండి, ఎవరైనా మిస్టేక్ ఉంటే చూసుకోండి. A21 is again 5 by 2 you will get. And now A22 అంటే 2 square plus 2 square divided by 2, that is 4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 8 by 2, that is 4. ఓకేనా? అలాగే A31 మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? 3 square plus 1 square divided by 2 అంటే 5. A32 అంటే 3 square plus 2 square divided by 2, that is 13 by 2 కదా? Right, 9 plus 4 13 by 2, that is 6.5. So carefully write the matrix. A11 cost of 1, A12 is 2.5. Next A21, that is again 2.5. A22 is 4, and now A31 is 5. A32 is 6.5. This is the required matrix. ఇంకెవరికైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ రోస్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ కాలమ్స్. ఎవరికైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడే తీర్చుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేది రోస్, సెకండ్ వచ్చేది కాలమ్.
Clear, sir.
Clear, everyone? One more.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Now Aij, first row, next వచ్చేది కాలమ్. జాగ్రత్త పెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా. That is like I square minus J square divided by 2. This is the matrix. Now you have to construct a 2 by 3 matrix. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix. I square minus J square whole divided by 2. Okay, కొంచెం మారుద్దాం. Wait a minute. We'll change a little bit. మరి అది మూసపోసినట్టు ఉంటుంది. మనం will change this. I will do like this. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. We'll do this. -1 whole power I plus j. Okay na? This you do. -1 whole power I plus j. Aij is -1 whole power I plus j. Constructed 2 by 3 matrix. అంటే I ప్లస్ జే ఆడ్ అయితే -1 వస్తుంది, I ప్లస్ జే ఈవెన్ అయితే మీకు 1 వస్తుంది. I ప్లస్ జే ఆడ్ అయితే -1, I ప్లస్ జే ఈవెన్ అయితే +1 వస్తుంది. Hopefully you are knowing about it. So construct the 2 by 3 matrix. What is the first matrix you will write? First ఏం రాయాలి?
Rows, sir.
Row. So how the rows will come?
A11,
Yeah.
A12,
Yeah.
A13.
Very good. So 3 columns will come, 2 rows will come. Next, A21, A22, A23. So that's your 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. And now you do that. This is very simple actually. 1 plus 1, even no. So I will get 1. 1 plus 2 odd, I will get -1. 1 plus 3 even, again +1. -1, +1, -1. Clear? Simple. Try it out.
Clear.
Try it out. Clear, everyone? How to do this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let's move on. 7th question, number 7. Okay. So construct. You have to construct a. Okay. This time you do a 3 by 5 matrix. Okay. 3 by 5 matrix. Aij is we'll do 3 by 5. 2 power we will do I minus j. 2 to the power of I minus j. Okay. This is a matrix. 2 power I minus j. Try it out. So how the 3 by 5 matrix look like? This will be last
3
question.
rows, 5 columns.
Very good. So how does it look like? How do we write that?
A11, A12, A13.
A12, A13. Will it go further?
A14,
Very good.
A15.
A14, A15. It will go up to here. Next.
A21,
Very good. A21, A22, A23, A24,
A5.
A25. Next, it will go up to A31. Because 3 rows are there, 5 columns you have to read. Okay, A31, A32, A33, A34, A35. Up to here it will go. Now can you do this homework? All of you? A11 means 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. I had to do 2 power 0. That is 1. So A12, that is 2 to the power of 1 minus 2. That is 2 power minus 1. That is 1 by 2. That is 0.5. Like this you have to do. A13, suppose A13 is there. 2 to the power of 1 minus 3. That is 2 power minus 2, which is 1 by 2 square. That is 1 by 4. That is 0.25. Clear? How to do? Similarly, A14, 2 to the power of 1 minus 4. That is 2 to the power of minus 3, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 0.125. So like this, A15 is 2 to the power of 1 minus 5. So 2 to the power of minus 4. That is 1 by 16. You do that further. Okay. So how much you will get? 1 by 16 means? $0.0625, right? Right. 1 by 16 is 0.0625, right? That is 1 by 16. Clear? Can you construct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it as homework and please put up today. చేసిన తర్వాత homework solve చేసిన తర్వాత నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి. Okay. Take care. Good night, all of you. Hope this is clear how to do these problems. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Bye. See you all.